We are, I would say, kind of part-timers because I'm a teacher, he works from home, so we're able to not only do weekends, but we're able to, anytime we have a break or during the summer, we'll just pick up and go, basically.
I have a 2019 F350, and we tow a 40-foot Keystone Cougar fifth wheel. Our original hitch setup was a auto slider, and it's just extremely heavy. You can't take it out of your truck. You know, it takes at least 2 people, if not more.
Well, and too, it takes up your entire bed, so it's hard to even bring some extra things along.
We're a family of 4, so we need all the space we can get. So we would throw stuff back there and it'd get grease all over it if we even had the space to put anything back there to begin with. The CrossWing has been great so far. My favorite thing has been just the ease of hitching. The hitch sits up higher in the bed, so I can see exactly what I'm doing when I'm hitching up. So it's easy to do by myself. And our old hitch, it took our whole family to hook up. I think the quality of the CrossWing is really great. I'm able to hitch up with my tailgate down, which I wasn't able to do before, so I'm not getting in and out of the truck back and forth. The hitch sits back a couple inches, so it makes it where you're not worried about the cap hitting your cab and busting out your back window. It's really comforting that you can actually see when you're coupled up and you have your pin all the way through. So you know you're hooked up, you're not mishooked, you know, like some of the auto hitches do.
Definitely when we first started in RVing, I would be nervous the whole time, you know, just because you just don't know and you're worried about what could happen. I'll say with this new system, it just really makes me feel at ease the whole time. I hardly even look back. Being able to still fit stuff back there, the safety, that peace of mind is a no-brainer to me.
My name is Matt Spence.
And I'm McKinney Spence.
And we live in Woodstock, Georgia.